Hello. What I'm going to do today is show you just how easy it is to sell any e-learning you've created using openelms AI on the site Podia. So you can click that button to start your free trial, or you can log in with an account you already have created. And this is our account. If we go to the menu on the left-hand side, there are two things you have to look at first of all. There's the website, and this is basically all the structure of your website you've created. This is like your microsite for selling e-learning, and your products. And your products are courses which consists of a series of e-learning courses. So, sorry, e-learning modules. So if we have a look at the website first of all, here we have a home page. And if we click on the home page, um, this is our homepage of our branding, and here we have our first product, GCSE History, Crime and Punishment. So all this can be edited using the editing tools on the system. You can change design aspects, look and feel, add logos and stuff like that. If we go back to uh, the, um, uh, the dashboard here, so here we have the second thing we need to look at is products, and this is where we start to create our e-learning courses. So if we click on a product, we can see it's got a cost to it and it's being published. So how do we create this published course? So each course consists of a number of lessons, and each lesson has an e-learning module in it. So if we just go to our first one here, Crime and Punishment in Anglo-Saxon England, we can see it consists of a title, which we can take directly from openelms AI, a course content description, which again we can take from openelms AI, and an embed field, which is the embed field again from openelms AI. So how does that look when we run it? If we press View Lesson, here we've got a preview of this lesson. So this is the entire course which someone would get if they purchased it. So the first lesson is Crime and Punishment in Anglo-Saxon England, and they get the e-learning exactly as you would expect it, like so. We've got various different lessons we've added here. So again, we do the same process, and we'll build up an entire program of learning using the e-learning we've created. So that, in essence, is it. We just go back to the home screen. So you would create something like this. You'd create a homepage which has your messaging on it. You can link it to your social channels, your portfolio, etc. They can be hosted on your website or can be hosted by Podia. And we've got our products here. So this is our first product, GCSE History, and you can build them up. So you can really become your own entrepreneur. You can create these lovely courses, which very clean looking, and the payments engine is automatically built into the system. So you just provide your bank details, and any money that you earn, the majority of that would go to you. So it's not like a site such as Go1 where you would be getting a much less, a far lower share of the sale because Go1 would be marketing the system for you. You're responsible for the marketing, so therefore you get a higher percentage of anything you sell. So there we have the payments engine, and here we have the site. It's very easy to do. It's called Podia, podia.com. Have a play and set up a site, and you have a 30-day free trial to see if it's what you want. Many thanks.